Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic, how to be confident and body positive. This video is especially for all the amazing women out there. You know, the ones who light up a room with their energy, their kindness, their unique sparkle. Listen, we all know the world can throw some seriously weird beauty standards our way. It's like, oh, you have to look like this to be considered beautiful. But guess what? That's a big old pile of bananas. We're here to throw those ridiculous standards out the window and embrace the amazing, powerful, and beautiful women you already are. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to go on a journey of self-love and confidence. Okay, let's get real for a sec. Growing up, I used to compare myself to everyone and everything. Magazines, movies, even that one girl in my class with the seemingly perfect everything. Can you relate? It was exhausting. I remember feeling so insecure about mention a specific insecurity you had. I'd look in the mirror and just be like, ugh, why can't I be more like, mention who you compared yourself to? It took me a while, but I finally realized something super important. Comparing myself was like comparing a flamingo to a sunflower, both beautiful, both unique, but totally different. And that's the point, right? We're all so wonderfully different, and that's what makes us special. Once I started celebrating what made me, my whole perspective shifted. It was like a breath of fresh air. So, if you're struggling with comparing yourself to others, know that you are not alone. We've all been there. The key is to shift that focus inward and start appreciating your own amazing qualities. Trust me, you have so many. All right, friends, let's talk about self-acceptance. This isn't about waking up one day and being like, I'm perfect. I love every single thing. It's a journey, a process, a wild and wonderful adventure of getting to know yourself on a deeper level. It's about acknowledging your strengths and your weaknesses, your quirks and your imperfections. It's about looking in the mirror and saying, hey there, beautiful, I see you, and I accept you exactly as you are right now. Think of it this way. Self-acceptance is like the foundation of a house. If the foundation is shaky, the whole house is unstable, right? But when you build a strong foundation of self-acceptance, you create a solid base for confidence to blossom. And trust me, that confidence will radiate from you like sunshine. People will feel it, you'll feel it, and it's going to change your whole game. So, how do we cultivate this magical power of self-acceptance? Well, it starts with being kind to yourself, my friend. Treat yourself with the same love and compassion you would offer your best friend. You deserve it. You are worthy of love and acceptance, starting with the most important person, you. Now let's get practical, shall we? Because sometimes we need a little boost, a little reminder of how awesome we truly are. So here are a few of my favorite tips for building unshakable confidence. First up, positive affirmations. Don't roll your eyes. These babies work. Start your day by looking in the mirror and saying things like, I am strong, I am capable, I am beautiful inside and out. It might feel silly at first, but trust me, it sinks in. Next, set yourself some small, achievable goals. This could be anything from trying a new workout class to finally organizing that drawer you've been avoiding. Every time you crush a goal, no matter how small, you get a little boost of confidence. And speaking of boosts, surround yourself with positive, supportive people. You know, the ones who lift you up, cheer you on, and remind you of your awesomeness when you forget. Life is too short to be surrounded by negativity. Find your tribe of supportive souls and watch your confidence soar. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about embracing your authentic self and shining bright. You got this. Okay, let's talk about those things that make you you. You know, the quirks, the passions, the things that make you stand out from the crowd. For too long, we've been told to fit in, to blend in, to be like everyone else. But you know what? That's boring. The world needs your unique light, your special brand of magic. So let's ditch the idea of fitting in and embrace the beauty of standing out. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What makes you light up? What are some things that make you different? Those, my friend, are your superpowers. Don't hide them, embrace them. Those so-called imperfections, those quirks that make you, you, those are the things that make you interesting, memorable, and absolutely stunning. So, rock that unique style, share your passions with the world, and don't be afraid to let your freak flag fly. You are one of a kind, and that is your superpower. Own it! All right, Lovelies, let's talk about self-love because it's not a one-time thing, it's a lifelong practice. It's about showing up for yourself every single day and treating yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would offer to someone you love deeply. So, how do we make self-love a part of our daily routine? Well, it can be as simple as starting your day with some positive affirmations like we talked about earlier. Another great practice is journaling. Take a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts, feelings, and gratitudes. It's a powerful way to connect with yourself on a deeper level. And let's not forget about self-care. This looks different for everyone, but it could be anything from taking a relaxing bath to reading a good book to spending time in nature. The key is to find activities that fill your cup and make you feel good. Make time for yourself every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Remember, you deserve to be pampered, you deserve to feel good, and you deserve all the love in the world, especially from yourself. So, go ahead, give yourself some love. Thank you for watching. Remember, confidence and body positivity start from within. Embrace your uniqueness and love yourself every day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content.